Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to my YouTube channel because there's new recipes coming through every week. I'll do that again, yeah? Oh my God. This is like a midweek special where you just don't want to cook anything and you got some random piece of tofu left in the fridge. Seriously, it's that easy. The first process to this is acknowledging the ingredients, of course, and I've got some firm tofu. Firm meaning firm. So tofu comes in 5 different textures. It comes in silken soft, medium, hard, no, firm and then hard, I think. Maybe it's the other way around, but there's 5 textures anyway, and I've got a firm tofu. And carrot, some random coriander in the bottom of the fridge. I've got some corn flour and some potato starch, cumin and coriander. That's pretty much all it is. It's that simple. So first I'm going to grate the carrot and I'm going to use this food processor, and I'm not going to be changing bowls or anything. It's kind of like a 1 bowl food processor wonder situation. I'm gonna add, I'm not even gonna use a knife. I'm just gonna, stalks and all, everybody, stalks and all, just rip this up. I'm gonna add my cumin, coriander powder. So it's coriander, fresh coriander powder and dried coriander. Give it a little bit of a whiz. Just so it all breaks up, because remember I just ripped those stalks apart. I didn't chop anything. My tofu, my corn flour, not tapioca, potato starch. Just a very brief whiz like that. Salt and pepper, definitely. Another quick whiz, like seconds, literally 2 seconds. And you'll have a look at how this has just come together beautifully. I'm going to make 2 patties because that's all we need is 1 each. And then there's only 2 of us tonight. So I'm going to make 1 each, and we don't eat a lot, so, which is great. Okay, toss them in breadcrumbs and just sit them aside in the fridge for about 10 minutes until they firm up, and then we're going to cook them. You know, every time I cook, right, I always clean it up before I go to the next stage. Why do I do that? Because my head doesn't get so flustered, because if I had crap all around me, I get really kind of flustered. And it's kind of a natural chef's thing to do, right? Is to just do one part, clean up that part, and then get to the next part. It's a really good tip for you at home. All right, I'm using cast iron, and I'm using the most amazing cast iron pans on the planet. The most amazing cast iron frying pans that I've ever had in my life. They're called ironclad, and they are incredible. What's really cool about these is it comes in 2 sizes, which is like massive situation or a small situation. I'm going with a small situation today because these 2 patties are going to fit perfectly. So with cast iron, right, and this is a really cool trick. So we're all used to kind of non-stick, and we know how to use non-stick. We fry an egg or cook something with it and it doesn't stick. Well, this particular brand of cast iron ironclad pans are non-stick, and this is how you do it yourself at home. So pan is on the heat, high heat. We allow it to heat up. Once it starts smoking and get to smoke point, we season the pan. Seasoning the pan, meaning in chef's terms, is where we take some oil on a cloth and we rub it on that really hot plate. And then we turn the pan down, and then we add a drizzle of oil, and then it becomes a complete seal of a non-stick glory. And that is the process of using these cast iron pans. It changes, it's the biggest game changer, because like I said, we're so used to using non-stick, and it's easy, and it's kind of like, you know, why would you change? Well, for your health, number one. So this is really hot, like a barbecue plate. Gonna add oil to this. Notice how I'm not just drizzling the oil in, I'm putting it on the cloth. And then I'm going to wipe it, and it's really smoking now. Now I'm going to turn it down to a low heat, keep wiping it. It's absolutely, totally smoking, and this is what we want. So now it is seasoned, which means it has its own coating, and we cool it completely right down. And then we add our oil and we go through the process, and it becomes non-stick because of this moment. And in goes my burgers. And see how they're not sticking? See that? Just because of that sealing the pan. I know, right? It's so cool. Changes everything. It's a game changer. I'm proud to use these pans and I'm proud to show you how easy it is, because you will get to a point in your life where you want to change into something. You want to change your pans, and this is the way to go. And these are pans, like, they're a legacy to your children, to your grandchildren. They're not just like a moment, like a trend, but it's that seasoning your pan first, that really vital step that I did, that gives you a non-stick surface without all the toxicity and all the crap that's in there in non-stick situations. And I've said it before on camera, I don't care if it's an eco pan or whatever they call them, it is absolutely, without a doubt, for me, not good. This is real, this is cast iron, this is what my grandmother used. Beautiful. This is a low heat, it's holding its heat well, it's super low, allowing it to just cook for 15 minutes. I'll put my link below where you can get 10% off, but I would totally buy them. It's what I use all day long. Turn it off, let it rest in there. When I write rest in my recipes, it means exactly that. You're probably thinking, how long for? Well, today it's like, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes just resting in the pan, turned off. It's going to go into a picnic basket and down to the beach. Oh my God, I don't think I'm even going to get to the beach.